Hello, Algebra 2 students. Today we are taking the final exam. I'm going to read through the entire exam. If you need to listen to it more than one time, just play it back. This is on YouTube, so you can play it back as many times as you need. All questions are multiple choice. Make sure you put all your final answers in the Google form. This is just a paper copy, and I'm going to read all the questions and all the answers. So if you need it to read, you can listen to it as many times as you like. So here we go. Starting off, question 1. Find x in the equation x over 4 equals 7. Is it A, 21, B, 28, C, 35, D, 42? Now if I'm moving too fast for you, you can always pause. Question 2. Solve for m. 5m equals 45. A, m equals 8. B, m equals 9. C, m equals 10. Or D, m equals 11. Question 3. Find the value of y in the following equation. Y plus 23 equals 40. A, 7. B, 17. C, 23. Or D, 63. Question 4. Find the value of t in the following equation. T minus 10 equals 6. A, 16. B, 6. C, 5. D, 4. Question number 5. Which inequality represents the statement that the temperature is more than 90 degrees? A, T is less than 90 degrees. B, T is greater than 90 degrees. C, T is less than or equal to 90 degrees. Or D, T is greater than or equal to 90 degrees. This is question 6. The sign shown below is posted on the front of a roller coaster ride at the Wadsworth County Fairgrounds. It says, all riders must be at least 48 inches tall. If H represents the height of the rider in inches, what is the correct translation of the statement on the sign? A, H is less than 48. B, H is greater than 48. C, H is less than or equal to 48. Or D, H is greater than or equal to 48. Question 7. Which graph represents the solution set of 2x minus 5 is less than 3? Remember, this needs to be solved. Now, I can't really read this to you, but this has an open circle at 4 and goes to the left. This has a closed circle, B, and goes to the left. C has an open circle at -1 and goes to the left. And D has a closed circle at +1 and goes to the left. This needs to be solved before you can figure this out. Same thing with this next question. Which graph represents the solution set of the inequality 2 parentheses x plus 4 is greater than 2? Is it A, negative 3 is filled in with a closed circle and goes to the right? Is it B, negative 3, there's an open circle and it goes to the right? C, negative 1 has a closed circle and it goes to the right? And D is a negative 3, closed circle, and goes to the left. Again, this is another one that needs to be solved before you can look at these. Questions 9. It says, write an equation of the line whose slope is 2 and whose y-intercept is negative 3. Our choices are A, y equals negative 3, x plus 2. B, y equals 2x minus 3. C, 2y equals negative 3x. Or D, negative 3y equals 2x. Question 10. What is the slope of the line whose equation is y equals 3x minus 5? Is it A, negative 5, B, 5, C, 3, or D, 3x? Next problem, excuse me. What is the equation of the line graph below? So you have a line here, it shows you the slope can be found on this, and the y-intercept can be found on this. So your choices are A, y equals 2/3 x minus 2. B, y equals 2/3 x plus 3. C, y equals 3/2x minus 2. Or D, y equals 3/2x plus 3. Last question, number 12. What is the slope of line L shown in the accompanying diagram? So I have a line L. They want to know the slope. Rise over run will help you here. Rise over run. A, 4/3. B, 3/4. C, negative 3/4. Or D, negative 4/3. Okay, everyone, good luck. Take your time. Do not rush. I'd rather you double check and get the right answers. Last exam you will have to take for the year. Have a good one. I will talk to you later.